Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a minute, but I'm still doing it. I'm still at it. I haven't been recording because I've just been feeling crummy and sounding crummy, and it wasn't just wasn't a good situation to be recording content and doing updates and all that. So I skipped it. So you can see a little bit from that angle. I'll get up with the camera up close and show you some of the cuts I made and some of the details here in a second. But I got powder coating done and I put the valve cover back on and connected the AN lines to the breather, and yeah, took apart a bunch of stuff. I got the radiator off and the turbo off. It needs to be rebuilt, and I just got a bunch of stuff moved out around. The oil cooler's off. Like I said, I'm gonna try and move that to the other side of the car because the turbo manifold gets really hot. The turbo, everything gets hot over here. So even with the wrap and the turbo blanket, it's still just radiating a lot of heat. So I feel like the oil cooler was getting like heat soaked, and it probably wasn't cooling. It was just heating the oil. So, you know, on a cold morning that helps, but I'm trying to run this thing for a couple laps on high plains and not get hot. So oil cooler is essential. But that brings me to I got both the fans put on here, and I got it, whoa, watch out. Got it to a point where this can gently slide in here. And then, let's see, it needs to move over a little bit. Well, yeah, it still needs some love, some work. But yeah, that's generally it. It's pretty much how we do it. I think it needs just a little bit cut out over here, a little bit more, just to allow, there's like 4 millimeters between the, oh, I guess we can go this way. Gosh. Yeah, okay. So it's pretty good. It's pretty much where it needs to be. But it is a heavy unit. This thing is not light. So it'll get better traction out of the hole, which is not really what I'm interested in. I just want it to like cool really well and yeah, get cool, stay cool. Yeah, we'll see how it does. I think we've got space for activities over here. It's a completely different manifold that sort of goes this way so the turbo can feed just straight into the intercooler. That's the plan. And then stay there. Then I need to remove all the like cooling overflow in the reservoir and pick a new spot for that. Maybe have a custom combo chamber made. Yeah, we'll see. But here, let's get closer. So this is the view from underneath the radiator support, the core support, whatever you want to call it. So like right underneath the headlight. I basically just held the intercooler up to where I wanted it to be and kind of marked a pattern of where I had to cut. So ignore all these hoses, most of them going away. And then yeah, I drilled out that weld and also like cut. There was a little tab sticking up, I cut that off. And then, yeah, this like vertical metal beam that went from the, the weld that I cut up to the hood latch. Like I cut all that off. And then over here on this side, similar hole cut, just using a, using a reciprocating saw. And I think I used a wheel, like a cut off wheel, a die grinder over here to get this like corner. Damn, this needs to be cut to clear the radiator. And I got the new throttle body, and I'm looking at port matching right now. That's gonna be a lot of work. I mean, I gotta take that whole thing off. Probably should just do that. Stuff it full of rags and tape so it doesn't get aluminum shavings in there. Cause compressed air and aluminum shavings, no thanks. Engines don't run on that. But yeah, I love the gratuitous shots of the green. I mean, it's called illusion yellow, but it looks green. I mean, it looks green and yellow. Almost forgot one of the best parts, and yeah, I know I'm cutting myself off, like, but I got the arrow catch hood pins done. Just whoop, whoop, bam, and this thing is solid. Like it does not flex at all. So pretty psyched, pretty stoked. I did kind of scratch up the paint, but I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. I might touch that up. I don't know. We'll see. That's a lot of work, but pretty excited about that. And then the other thing, let me get my hood prop up on both sides because that hood is weak. The other thing is the new fender vents. I got them cut out and mocked up. This definitely needs paint because I want to do the vents behind the sheet metal. I think it just looks a lot cleaner. I did a nice-ish cut. It's pretty straight. I spent a lot of time like filing it. I guess I could redo these corners. Some of them are pretty mangled looking, but I left the rivets like half engaged, so it would be easy to just like cut them, hopefully, just with some pliers, sharp pliers maybe, and then pull them out. Yeah, we'll see about that. But I was pretty excited about that. Had to share. All right, well, I got a lot of work to do. I got goals to accomplish, so I'm gonna stop recording and I'm gonna get to work. But thanks for watching. Leave a like if you'd want to. Ask any questions you got, leave any comments you want. Let me know what you think. All right, see you next time, bye.